for today's video, let's talk about link. How to add link to your Facebook account. Paano nga ba mag-add ng link sa iyong Facebook account? Of course guys, we go to our Facebook account and click our profile. And then, edit profile. Scroll up. So, may nakalagay dito na links. Click add. Ayan guys, just click add social link. And then platform. Ayan guys, kung may Instagram ka, Threads, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, TikTok, Tweets, WhatsApp, Line. So, halimbawa ako may YouTube ako, may TikTok ako, may WhatsApp ako. So, we try TikTok or YouTube first. Just click YouTube. Put your username. Okay, this is my username. Ayan guys. Tapos, just click done sa baba. Ayan, and save. Check natin ngayon. Click the arrow. Check natin siya ngayon kung nandito na siya. Ayun na guys, nasa baba na siya. And kung gusto nyong mag-add, ganun lang din. Another one, edit profile. Scroll up. Links, edit. Yan. And then add social link. And then platform. So ilagay ko yung TikTok ko. Username. Okay, username is at Keira Chinita 20 mali yun Keira Chinita 2023. Ayan guys, click done and then save sa taas. Cancel profile. Ayun na, ganun lang kadali guys. Thank you.